Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to copy signals from Telegram to Mt4. First, ensure you have both the Telegram app and MetaTrader 4 installed on your device. Next, you'll need to find a reputable signal provider whose signals you wish to copy. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth trading experience. Make sure your Mt4 account is properly configured and ready for trading before proceeding to the next steps. To bridge Telegram and Mt4, you'll need a specialized signal copier tool, or bot. Install this software and then configure it by entering your MetaTrader 4 account login details. After that, link your chosen Telegram signal channel to the copier. This connection allows the software to automatically read and interpret incoming trade signals from your provider. With your copier connected, it's time to automate trade execution. Crucially, set up your risk management parameters within the copier software. Define your preferred lot sizes, stop loss, and take profit levels to protect your capital. Remember to continuously monitor your automated trades to ensure they align with your strategy and perform as expected. To optimize your strategy, always test new signal providers on a demo account before committing real capital. Diversifying your signal sources can also help reduce overall risk. Remember, market conditions can change, so regular review of your settings is vital. Stay hydrated with an O-Ala water bottle for better focus during your trading sessions. Check the description for a link to the O-Ala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.